proud of Africa.
So I'm Christian.
Nice to meet you.
We're both from England. We've been travelling around Uganda together.
Yeah, so we've been here for 2 weeks now. So we turned up on Saturday last week at 5:45 in the morning.
Yeah.
So that was it was a bit of a long journey, but we rested up and we've been self-driving. We started off here in Entebbe. And we've been to, where did we start?
First went to Maburo.
Yeah, Lake Maburo, and then Lake Bunyonyi, is it?
Yeah, Lake Bunyonyi.
And then Lake Mutanda, so it's been quite a lot of different places.
How did you find these places? Were they attractive? Would you recommend other people to come and visit?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
They all had their own sort of different qualities, I think.
It's been incredible. Everywhere's so diverse. It's a complete different experience from one national park to the other, or just even the things that you do within the park.
Yeah, all the people have been very welcoming as well.
Everyone's been.
So how did you find the mountain gorillas? Were they welcoming or they wanted to get you?
Yeah, they didn't seem very bothered by us.
No, they were really relaxed. We found them within an hour. It was just incredible. It was really good.
How about the falls?
Yeah, the
Did
falls.
you go to Maxon Falls?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we did. So we went to the falls yesterday, isn't it?
Yeah.
It feels like a long time.
Yeah, it's a long drive.
Okay, share our experience about the boat riding. How was it?
Oh, the boat trip was really good.
Was it great?
Yeah, let's go right up to near the bottom of the falls.
And also, how was the weather for you?
Yeah, we got quite lucky, I think.
Yeah, considering we sort of booked it as an off season, we've been quite lucky.
You got the sunburn.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got quite badly burnt in the space of one day.
Yeah.
You wanted to taste a Rolex.
Yeah.
So what are you expecting?
There's not a lot of choice as vegetarians. I think there's a lot of very nice looking meat-based dishes. But
Yeah.
You know, the disadvantage of being a vegetarian, you are so limited.
Yeah.
But this looks like all the things that we like. We like
Yeah, it
eggs,
looks
and we've tried the
incredible.
chapatis, and the chapatis are really nice, but we haven't had them together.
Yeah, the chapatis have always been like a side
Yeah.
dish.
How did you two meet? How did you meet?
So we met at a party literally only last summer. So
Yeah, so
what?
July probably.
Yeah, July, like
Yeah.
9 months-ish. I don't know.
Wow,
Yeah.
you met at a house party?
Yeah.
Wow. So, how did you, I don't know, you have the same hobbies for traveling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How did that happen? Can you explain that chemistry to the people?
I think we started talking about it on the weekend that we met.
Yeah.
After a few drinks, because obviously after a few drinks, because we just talked for the whole night, and you were talking about wanting to work in Japan.
Yeah.
Isn't it? And I just want to go everywhere. So
Wow.
hence why we're here within a year.
Okay, yeah, you also happen to be our subscribers on Eating the African Way. So how did you find the channel? Who found the channel?
I found the channel, so I was looking for vegetarian options in Uganda.
Wow.
Because I'm quite newly a vegetarian. I've only been vegetarian in the time that we're together, and so I was a bit like, oh, what can we eat? I don't know what we can eat. And actually, ironically, the first video I came across was the one about the Rolexes.
Wow,
And
mine came first.
yeah, so then I obviously went and watched all the other ones.
Wow,
Here we
thank
are.
you so much.
So you have heard from these guys how they found out how they found out about the channel and what they expect from Uganda. You have been here for a week, 2 weeks, or 1 week. Wow, you know, I've never traveled my country as these guys have done. So I'm soon doing that. So this is Eating the African Way, and if you've been here, thank you so much for being on Eating the African Way. Please subscribe if this is your first time here. She's not here. Your wife or your girlfriend, Are you guys planning to get married?
Oh, leave that for next time.
Yeah. So we are waiting for our Rolexes to come. May I order the Munayuji. So what was your order?
The cheese guy.
The cheese guy. She ordered Safari. So we all have different tastes. So let us wait for our Rolex, and they are going to share their experience. How I told them to be open, to be true to what they are going to eat. They share the experience. If it is not tasty as they expected, they tell us that. So thank you so much. Let us wait.
The glory and light of Africa shines brighter and brighter. Africa to the world.
Yeah, that's incredible. It's really nice trying the chapati with actual, like, really nice fillings.
Yeah, because we've had like chapati slices with like avocado on the side, and I was like, oh, it's going to be very similar, but this is so much better. I don't know how. It's like the same thing.
Yeah, it's incredibly satisfying.
You gonna eat the whole thing?
Yeah. Do you want to try this one? Want to try some of that one? The whole thing.
Thank you. I reckon mine's nicer.
Really?
Yeah, I think mine's nicer. So it's better than I thought it was going to be, which sounds a bit cynical because it's like we've had all the different parts of it. We've had like chapatis and we've had omelettes and we've had like avocado. I've got avocado in mine. I wanted the mushroom one, but there was no mushroom. So, but I was sort of like, oh, it's going to be like alright, but it's much nicer than I thought it was going to be, and now I want to know how to make it myself. It's very filling. It's nice, and we haven't eaten since 7 a.m. and it's now 5 o'clock. So we're very grateful for the fact that it's quite thick and like substantial, but it doesn't feel like greasy or gross. It just feels like nice, like a proper meal, which is what we wanted.
For the cheese guy, which is really, really nice, really satisfying, very filling. The mozzarella texture is lovely. But yeah, it's better than I expected, to be honest. We both tried both of them, and I think we prefer the avocado one. Yeah. I mean, they're both really good, but yeah, I'd go for the avocado one. That's how it always ends up, isn't it? I just sat there.
I don't know. Like,
Doing well.
catching up this time. The avocado is like really fresh as well. I think that makes a lot of difference. It's not like mushy.
Yeah, so
It's just been brilliant. It has really been much better than I expected it to be, and I was really looking forward to it anyway, and somehow it was still better.
yeah.
Like,
Yeah, I think it outlived all our expectations. It's
everyone we met has been lovely and
very
helpful,
welcoming.
and we had some mechanical issues with our car and people helped us.
yeah, they got on their bikes and just came straight out.
Everything that we've done has just been, I'd do it again tomorrow, I'd do it again now.
Yeah.
It's just
So thank you, Uganda, and everyone
thanks to everyone that we've met.
everyone who's been so welcoming.
And thanks Nicholas for coming and meeting us.
Thanks for having us on.
And for your channel, which I mean, really, I wouldn't be so confident having a Rolex, coming here. I wouldn't have wanted to walk down the road, let's be honest, it's very different to England. But yeah, I mean, definitely check out Nicholas's channel if you haven't already. Shameless plug, but it's going in there. It's a brilliant channel and it's really informative, and Nicholas is lovely, and it's been really nice to meet you, Nicholas.
Thank you so much for keeping yourself on Eating the African. Today it was not about me, it's about our visitors from England. I hope you enjoyed them sharing their stories, how they traveled to Uganda and how they have finally had a chance to eat our Rolex, one of the favorite snacks we have in East Africa. I don't know if it is your favorite, but it's one of my favorite snacks. So I'm here to close this. So I'm going to enjoy my Rolex as we plan for the next video. So if I make a video that I don't eat, then I'm not going to upload that video. So I have to eat to show you that the food was delicious and share the experience with you. So I'm having a Munayuji. I'm having Munayuji Rolex. I know you know what I mean by Munayuji Rolex. Our normal one on the streets. So this place is called the Rolex Guy. Rolex Uganda hashtag. I'm trying to read what is on the walls. Visiting adventure. So I'm going to do. You're going to see. I'm going to make a simple clip about this place, and also share details in the description box if you want to come here and also have the same experience. I'm going to share their prices in the description box. Yeah, and their contact. So thank you so much for watching. Catch up in the next video.
So we've just got back safely to London, exhausted. It's been a long day, about 14-15 hours of travel minimum, if not much more. I can't even count anymore. But thank you very much, Uganda, for having us. We had an incredible time. We didn't want to leave, I cried, but we'd love to come back. And thank you very much, Nicholas, for letting us be in your video, no matter how awkward we are. Thank you very much. Bye.